Before viewing our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tap the bell icon, so you are the first to know when we post the new videos.
Every woman wants to pay attention carefully to her diet and every woman wants to look perfect. However, it's not easy, as women nowadays have to juggle many things in their lives. Everything from a career to kids to friends. We've put together 10 amazing beauty tips with the help of our readers that'll make your life a lot easier when it comes to looking your best. Number 1. The alternative of eyebrow gel. You can use your hairspray instead of eyebrow gel. You just need a small amount of hairspray on the eyebrow comb. In this same case, mascara brush will also do the job. Afterwards, smooth the eyebrows immediately after you apply the hairspray. Number 2. Whiten the nails. If you are regularly using dark shades of nail polish, it turns the nails yellowish. Everyone wants his or her nails to be clean and white. For this purpose, soak a pad of cotton wool in the lemon juice. Wrap this pad around the nails after it has soaked the juice. Use some foil to cover it up. After 10-15 minutes, your nails will be white and clean. Number 3. The reminder of expiry date. Most of the manufacturers utilize these types of signs to indicate the expiry date of their products. It's best if you don't use expired products. In order to remember the date, write the date on the product by utilizing a marker or pen immediately when you open the box of this product. Number 4. The amazing manicure. If you want to prevent stains on your skin while applying some nail colors, apply some Vaseline or lip balm on your skin near nails. After you finish coloring, use a Q-tip brush to remove it. Number 5. An amazing tip for DIY eyeliner. If your eyeliner is dry and you need it immediately, you just need to remove brush top and use it from the other end. It will become brand new. Number 6. Use baby oil instead of shave gel. If you use baby oil instead of shave gel, it will give your skin better moisturizing. It will also prevent irritation after shaving. Number 7. A tip for skin of the feet. Make a mixture of 2 cups of warm water, 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of mouthwash. Apply it on your feet and then wash until they will become baby soft. Number 8. The removal of hair static. In water, the hair static is a common problem. Make the hair smoother and get rid of the hair static by just passing the common dry sheets on your hair. This is an amazing and simple hack for your hair static problem. Number 9. The tip for lipstick. When you apply any shade of lipstick, just suck one of your fingers for a while. It will make the lipstick perfect. The logic behind this hack is that when you suck the finger, your lips leave the extra amount of lipstick on the finger, thus making it look perfect. Furthermore, the use of highlighter can make the lipstick last long. Number 10. Brilliant use of pins. Use a common bobby pin to get rid of a pimple. Place its round end over the pimple. Now, begin pushing the pin down and the pimp will pop. Place a bulldog clip on top of razor. In this way, it won't cut your hands when you search through the bag. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.